Hello Libra, welcome to my channel and welcome to your love reading. We're gonna see what the person on your mind or the person you're dealing with is currently going through. How do they see you? How do they feel about you? Let's see. What is Libra's person going through? I thought so. I thought so. They're restricting themselves, Libra. Oof. Four of Wands at the bottom. We also have Eight of Swords. We have Nine of Wands. 8, 9 by the way. We have Eight of Cups, 8 again. And we have Four of Wands. They're restricting themselves. They're trying to block their feelings. They're trying to... because they're not seeing the way out of the situation. It's not only about love, it's also about their inner struggles. Maybe they have been going through a lot in their childhood or early adulthood or something like that, and they have not coped with it, properly. But they want an equal give and take. They want that. Although on this card, I love this deck. I think it's a spellcast. Yeah, it's Spellcaster's Tarot. It's Four of Wands. You see, their cards are tied up. Sorry, their hands are tied up. Even though they're tied up, two in both of their hands, both of these ladies on this card, they still feel like their hands are tied up. With or without you, they do feel like it. I'm hearing they have nights when they're not sleeping, they are thinking about you, and there are things that they're going through. They want things to change, they want to manifest new reality for them, but it's not happening because they don't see the way out with these two cards. They're building a wall between you two and between them and the rest of the world, not only you. But they know that you could be a great match for them. You see, how do they see you, Libra? How do they see Libras? By the way, I feel like there's a lot of fire energy, specifically Leo, Aries, Sagittarius as well. They see you as a nine of Wands, 2, and the Nine of Wands is just like under Nine of Wands. Excuse me, there's Nine of Swords and you have Nine of Wands. But anyways, how do they see Libra? How do they see Libra? Judgment, Six of Pentacles. At the bottom, the Sun, Leo energy. They see you like you are guarded too, like you're restricting yourself as well, but at the same time, they know that if they don't reciprocate anytime soon, you will make the judgment call because you want an equal give and take. And they do too, but they don't want to talk about it. They maybe don't even want to tell it to themselves, to tell themselves the truth. But they see you as a very bright person, as a like the light in their life, the warmth is coming from you. They like this, energy that is coming from you. And they know that you want more. They know that. Maybe somebody told them that you like them. I don't know, it's just a side message. How do they feel about my Libra? How do they feel about Libra? These are metaphorical cards, so bear with me, guys. It might take some time. I feel like they have like an ocean of feelings, an ocean of emotion for you, but they're not necessarily showing it. At the same time, they're afraid that you may be a very big danger for them. You know, you see after you have like a big shark, or what is it, a whale behind the sofa, and we also have like an octopus under this ship. But these two cards, and I pre-shuffled that, and these two cards are showing all the ocean of emotion for you. And you know, ocean is like a water energy and its feelings. They want to risk it, but they're afraid way too much because they're restricting themselves. With this Nine of Swords, with the Eight of Wands here. They feel like it's very dangerous to, you know, be with you or start something with you because they want to protect themselves. Not from your energy, but from what could possibly happen. You know, they don't want to sunk into to sunk into your waters. They're afraid of that a lot. I want to see what's at the bottom. It's very interesting energy. Spirit, tell me, what is this? Spirits say that they're afraid to be vulnerable in front of you. But at the back of their mind, they want to open up to you. They want to talk to you. They know that you're not dangerous. I mean, for them. They know that it's not dangerous for them to open up to you, to be with you, and to start something with you. But they feel like you have a lot of energy that could consume them, and they don't want that at all. That's very interesting. Spirit, tell me, what is the outcome of this connection? I have Two of Wands. What is the outcome of this connection? Great. We have the Lovers. And we have Ace of Pentacles. So, Spirit is saying that there will be an equal give and take. They will go out of this restriction mode, but it will take some time, okay? I hope you resonated. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. I hope to see you in the next reading.